Okay. Now let's solve another problem, second problem. That is nothing but this problem is related to three phase. But in the problem, nowhere they mention it is whether it may be three phase or single phase. How to figure it out whether it may be single phase or three phase? Let's we discuss here. Okay. First, read it out. To select the size and prepare estimate for OH. OH is nothing but what? Overhead service connection to feed power supply to factory. Factory means it's the factories are not run in single phase supply. Obviously, the factories are run in single three phase supply. So that is the one for indication. Another one is here they will going to mention 10 HP motor. 10 HP motor means it obviously work in three phase supply. Okay. Load 10 HP load for distance of 10 meter. What is the 10 meter? 10 meter distance between service pole and this one supporting pole. Okay. Next one. Next we dive. Next let's we dive into the solution. Let's we take it out the given parameter. What are the given parameters? Power is equal to 10 HP. We need to convert from HP to watts. We need to multiply 10 into 735.5. Okay. We need to convert from HP to watts. Here there is one formula. I is equal to P into 735.5 divided by root 3 into VL into eta into cos phi. Okay. Obviously, we need to assume eta and power factor. Eta is nothing but 80%. 80%. Okay, here HP motor, the efficiency is 80%, power factor is 0.8. Obviously, three-phase supply and 415 volts, whether it will be 415, 420 or 440. You can take anything, but I here consider voltage is equal to 415 volts. Okay, next, let's dive into the first step number one. Step number one, in the step number one, we need to calculate the current. What is the formula? I is equal to P into 735.5 divided by root 3 into 415 into 0.8 into 0.8. We need to substitute here with the help of this formula. We need to substitute all the value. P is equal to 10 HP into 735.5 divided by root 3 into 415 into 0.8. Eta is equal to 0.8 into 0.8 power factor. Okay, we will going to get 15.98 amperes. Factor of safety, we need to consider. What do you mean factor of safety? I already give the explanation, brief explanation about in the last video. Please check it out. IL is equal to 15.98 into 2 is equal to 31.96. Okay. Why we need to calculate this current? We need to calculate this load current in order to find out the diameter of the conductor. For 31.96 approximately equal to 32 ampere load current, we need to find out the diameter of the conductor. The size of the aluminum conductor is here. I'm going to consider 10 square mm. We already take down the table. Already we check how to already inform you how to check the table. Okay, here the current is come under this range. Alva 32. That is nothing but 10 square mm diameter conductor. We need to select. I already selected 10 meter diameter conductor. Okay. Next one, step number 2. We need to look find out the length of the conductor or length of the aluminum cable. Okay, is equal to length of the cable is equal to 4. 4 means what? Phase, 3 phase RYB. But then neutral. Total 4 wires into distance plus service pipe plus meter board and looseness plus pole side. Distance is to 10 meter. Service pipe only 3 meters. 3 meters for meter board and looseness plus pole side only 4 meters. Okay. We need to sum of these all the parameters into 4 wires. So total cable length is 80 meters. Now let's check into the step 3 brake insulator 1.1 kilovolts. 2 brake insulators we required for messenger wire in order to break the conductor. Okay. Next one. Step 4, reed insulator we need to calculate. For reed insulator, we already explained the formula. Here we need to change single phase are 2, here 3 phase are 4. 4 into distance plus 2 extra. 4 into 10 and distance is nothing but 10 meter. All they mentioned in the question plus 2 extra, total 48 numbers. Step number 5, support pipe. Support pipe same 50 mm dia, 2.5 mm thickness, 1.8 meter GI pipe. Service pipe 30 mm dia, 2 mm thickness. 2 meter length PVC pipe with the 3 PVC bends are used. Next one, messenger wire 10 SWG 10 kg, sorry, 10 meter is equal to 1 kg. Here I required 10 SWG GI wire 1 kg. 10 meter alwa, so 1 kg is enough. If in case 20 meter, then we require 2 kg. Meter board 500 into 500 into 65 mm T could. For single phase 300 into 300, 300 into 300. 300 into 365. Here 500 into 565 T code is required. Step number 9, earthing 38 mm dia GI pipe of 3 mm thickness, 2.5 meter long, 2.5 mm 12.5 mm dia, holes drilled at 300 mm distance, 8 SWG GI wire for earthing. Fuse unit here, how much fuse unit is required? 3 fuse units for R, Y, B. 32 ampere porcelain fuse is required. Step number 1, how to represent this 32, how to extract this value 32 ampere? We need to check it out the current value approximately equal to 32 ampere. So that's why 32 ampere porcelain fuse unit is required. Number what? 3. Okay, miscellaneous material, nuts, bolts, clamps, charcoal, salt. Okay, we need to we need to put it in the table. Okay, all the components, serial number, particulars, unit, quantity, rate per unit, amount in rupees. First one, cable 10 square mm aluminum 11 kV grade double sheathed PVC cable, 10 meters coil ಇದು unit, 80 meters we required as per the calculation. 100 meter ಗೆ 1800, 80 meter ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1440 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. How to calculate this value? 80 divided by 80 into 1800 divided by 100. Okay, we will going to get 1440. 1.1 kV brake insulator, 1.1 kV brake insulator. How many numbers we require? Brake insulator numbers 2. 2 into 25 rupees per unit. 2 into 25, that is the number 50. Reel insulator, how much required as per the calculation? SI unit is number 48 we required. 48 into 2 rupees 96. 10 SWG GI wire, messenger wire 1 kg we required. 1 kg ಗೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. So 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 1 kg ಅಂದ್ರೆ final rate 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. PVC bends numbers 3. PVC bends 3 required. 1 gets 6 rupees. Each one is 6 rupees. 6 into 3, 18. 50 mm dia, 2.5 mm thickness, 1 meter GI pipe for supporting. 1 meter is required. 1 meter ge 1.8 rupees. Sorry, 1 meter ge 495 rupees we required. 1.8 meters. So total 495 into 1.8, that is something like 891. 30 mm dia, 2 mm thickness PVC pipe for servicing. 1 meter is the SI unit. 2 meter we required. 2 meter into 30 rupees ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 60 rupees. The next one, T code for meter board. Number 1, 500 rupees only. 38 mm GI pipe, 38 mm diath GI pipe for of 3 mm thickness for earthing, meter SI unit. 2.5 meter we required. 350 rupees per meter. So 350 into 2.5, that is nothing but 875. 8 SWG GI wire for earthing, 1 kg we required. 1 kg is the SI unit. 1 kg we required. 1 kg 45 rupees. Total 45 rupees. 32 ampere porcelain fuse unit, numbers 3, 100 rupees per unit. So 3 into 100, that is nothing but 300. Miscellaneous material ಗೆ lump sum ಆಗಿ 500 ಹಾಕಿ. Next labor charge ನ consider ಮಾಡಿ. Labor for service 500, for earth wiring 300. Material and labor cost total ಎಲ್ಲ calculate ಮಾಡಿ. We will going to get, including this one, we will going to get 5625. Contingencies 5% of cost. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು total 5625 5% calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will going to get 281.25. How to calculate this value? 5625 into 5%, 5 divided by 100. We will going to get 281.25. Total madi 5625 plus 281.25. We will going to get finally 5906.25. That is nothing but 5,906 rupees only. Okay, this is how we need to calculate the total estimated cost for overhead service main. It is under 3 phase. Okay, thank you so much.